How to create video in Vyond. Click on create button and start with blank or use template or record the screen. We will go with start with blank. It will open a new tab. In left side, here is the library. And second one is the scene. Our scene will display here. If we want to import this scene, then click here and go to scene. Okay, I have selected the office scene, so they will show all the office scene. It's a template. Click on anyone and it will come here. If you want to change anything, then click on it. If you want to change this character, then click here and click on replace button. They will show us a new character. Click here and it will replace. Like this, you can change this object, background, and even you can change the color of all the object. If you want to change the color of this, or you can move this object anywhere. Listen, if you want to change this size and colors, you can just drag it here like this. To create a new scene, click here on add scene. Choose scene, continue last scene, or add a blank scene. Choose scene will ask for a scene which we want to add, and the second is continue last scene, so it will place here this one last scene like this. No, sorry, not here, like this. The same scene will be available in next scene. And the last one is add a blank scene, so it will come blank scene. Now let's add something in blank scene. We have drag new scene. Here also you can change like this. Sheets, you can change the any color of object. Many scene here: office, training, home, traveling, chart and data, superheroes, and more. These are properties also, shapes and symbols, and hand gesture and effects, animals, and our character also here display like this. Now add blank screen and we will learn how to make a video or how to make a scene. First of all, we will change the background here and go here and location or pattern. In pattern they will show like this, or in background they will show like this. We can choose the location like airport or train station, garden, and like this. Now we will add the character here. We will give the action to any character like dancing, etc. Once we will preview, the character will dance like this. So this is how you can make the all character and video here. In new scene we will add the background plus character plus some property we will add like table and take a sheet, make it some larger and change the mirror. Now we will place this character on this sheet. Make a character on bring to front like this. This one also make bring to front. Okay, like this we can make the our own scene. That's it for the today. Thank you.